Hi, I'm Gabi. On today's video, I'm gonna make Dubai Viral Kunafa Brigadeiro. All the ingredients I'm gonna leave on the description box. Let's get started. Before starting, I toast the kataif batter. The kataif batter recipe is in the end of this video and below on the description box. I melted unsalted butter, added the kataif batter, cooked until lightly brown, and set aside. Now I'm gonna make the pistachio brigadeiro. I'm gonna pour condensed milk, add ground pistachios, spread, stir, cook stirring continuously until thick and it starts to pull away from the bottom. Turn off. I'm gonna add tahini, cooking salt, mix, transfer to a bowl, and leave to cool. I'm gonna grease my hands with spread. Scoop out the pistachio brigadeiro with a teaspoon. Cover with chocolate brigadeiro. The chocolate brigadeiro recipe is in the end of this video and below on the description box. Shape, and roll in the toasted and chopped kataifi. Well guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video and see you in the next one. See you later. Bye!